Assalamu alaikum to all the students and a very warm welcome to you all in our English language class. And I hope you all enjoyed your Eid vacation very well. Now, okay, Asia, okay, no problem. Be careful next time, okay? Acha ji, we should start now. This is our lecture number 10, okay? And we are having this lecture and actually this is the revised lecture of tenses which we have already done. Okay, we have done present tenses before. You have completed the assignment also, but you have just done the tenses assignment, not translation. So we are having this lecture to learn how to translate Urdu sentences into English according to the tenses. Okay, these are the this is the topic of tenses and translation. We have to learn the tenses. We have to again revise the tenses plus translation, because without revising the tenses or without recalling the structures, we cannot uh, solve the translation. Okay, so we are first learn the tenses again. Learn means we are revising it, and then we will solve the translation. Right now we are having present tense. Okay, we will complete all the tenses, all the forms of present tense. Okay, the word that refers to present time is said to be in a present tense. Means how do we identify the sentence is in a particular tense? How do we identify? We identify with the action word which is called verb. हम verb की form से ये finalize करते हैं या idealize करते हैं that we are having present tense, past tense और future tense. ठीक है, तो verb plays a very important role in the whole sentence to identify the tense. And whenever we are having v1 or present form of verb, it is called present tense. ठीक है, now we are having forms of present tenses. We are having 4 forms of each and every tense. Present indefinite or present simple, both are same. Okay, present simple is also called present indefinite, or present indefinite is also called present simple. Then we have present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous also. Now first we will start with the present indefinite tense. It is the tense in which we talk about our habits, customs and routines. Okay, our habits which we are used to, which we are habitual of doing. Customs are all the occasions and events we used to celebrate yearly, monthly, weekly, whatever. And then we have some routines also. Routines becomes our habits, so they are very similar to each other. Then we have the structure of present tense, which is subject plus v1. V1 is the you may say present form of the verb, which shows it is a present tense. And with the verb we use s or es with all singular subjects. Whenever we are having subject is singular, we will use s or es at the end of the verb. Verb ki first form, it should be verb v1, then only we will use s or es with the v1 whenever we are having subject is singular. For example, I speak the truth. I को हम plural consider करते हैं, we don't consider it as subject. No, sorry, subject is singular. Okay, this subject is plural. He she speaks the truth. Okay, he and she or any name, Ali, Sarah, Ahmad, whoever is there. So these are the singular subjects. So we use s or es with the v1 whenever we are having subject is singular. They speak the truth. They means wo means they are plural. Okay, so they speak the truth means with the plural subject we will use only v1, not s or es. Now we are having some examples also. He drinks tea every morning. Again, we are talking about here our daily routine. The sun rises in the east. This is the habit of, or you may say it's a routine. I get up at 7 a.m. Okay, मैं 7 बजे उठता हूँ. It means it is my habit also, and as well as it is my routine also. He always speaks the truth. It is the habit of that person that he speaks the truth every time, always. Then we celebrate Independence Day on 14th August. This is the custom which we which we celebrate every year on 14th August. And then I daily take a glass of milk. This is my daily routine, or it is my habit, you can also say. Now, each tense can be used in different forms of sentences. Again, those were the forms of tense, like present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. They were the forms of tense. Now these are the forms of sentences. Okay, forms of tense and forms of sentences are different. Tense key forms, all those forms, present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous, they were the forms of tense. And now these are the forms of sentences: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Okay, how can we change the sentences into different forms? Now these are the practice exercise. He drinks tea every morning. Actually, I am going through it and going a little bit fast because we have already done this. Okay, ये हम already कर चुके हैं. We have to switch on the translation. The exact, the the particular task of today is translation. ठीक है ना? Now these are the practice exercises. He drinks tea every morning. How we will change it into negative? He does not drink tea every morning. Okay, we will use the helping verb of do and does. Whenever we are having singular subject, we use s or es with the verb one. Okay, and whenever you are looking at v1 plus s or es in the affirmative, you have to put does over there. जब भी v1 के साथ s और es attach होगा, it means that subject is singular. And if the subject is singular, v1 के साथ s और es है, then you have to use does in the negative and interrogatives. Okay, what will be the negative of that sentence? He drinks tea every morning. He does not drink tea every morning. Whenever you use does, okay, as a helping verb in the sentence, you will remove this s from the main verb. Okay, whenever you will be using does as a helping verb in negative and interrogative, you will not again use s or es here with the v1. ओके जब हम डज यूज करेंगे तो ये वाला एस रिमूव कर देंगे. ही ड्रिंक्स टी एवरी मॉर्निंग. ही डज नॉट ड्रिंक टी एवरी मॉर्निंग. डज ही ड्रिंक टी एवरी मॉर्निंग? Then question mark. Question mark is compulsory to show that you are making the interrogative sentence. And one more thing again, we have to change the sentence into interrogative form, not intronegative. Okay, so never use interrogative के साथ not कभी use नहीं करना. You don't have to make does he not drink tea every morning? No, whenever you are making interrogative, you will not use not over there. Okay, now the second one is they do not leave for school at 7:30 a.m. Affirmative will be they leave for school at 7.